From California's golden sun to Maine's first morning light, Texas plains and Georgia pines, we rise for what is right. New York dreams, Alaska skies, the freedom in our air. From Florida shore to Oregon's roar, we're stronger 'cause we care. The heart of Ohio, the soul of Tennessee, in every voice from sea to sea, this is our legacy. Oh, sing it loud on the 4th of July, 50 stars that light the sky. Fireworks bloom, our spirits high. It's America's birthday and freedom flies. One heart, one flag, one love we raise. 50 states in liberty's praise. Illinois winds, Hawaii's grace, Nevada's silent land. The lakes of Minnesota shine like hope within our hands. Arizona heat, Vermont's fall leaves, Mississippi's song. Montana peaks and Arkansas streams, they've held us all along.
Climb on this day, our banner rose from rebel fires to freedom's prose.
1776 lit up the night,
Gave us all our sacred right. 13 stars began this flame, now 50 burn in freedom's name.
raise your voice for Alabama, Alaska, Arizona too, Arkansas, California, Colorado's view, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida pride, Georgia, Hawaii, where oceans collide. Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, our shining saga. Louisiana, Maine, and Maryland's breeze, Massachusetts, Michigan, memories with ease. Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri dreams, Montana, Nebraska, love in our scenes. Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, bold. New Mexico, New York, hearts made of gold. North Carolina, North Dakota's grace, Ohio, Oklahoma, a sacred place. Oregon, Pennsylvania, stories run deep. Rhode Island, South Carolina, history we keep. South Dakota, Tennessee, in every breath. Texas, Utah, New York, haunts nail death. Vermont, Virginia, Washington's trees, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming's breeze. Let freedom ring, let eagles soar, from sea to shining sea and more. On this July 4th we proudly stand, one nation blessed, hand in hand. One heart, one song, one dream above. 50 states in a land.